Hi everyone. So I tried this TikTok trend of tortilla wraps in two vegetarian and Indian ways. For the first one, boil few potatoes, add salt, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, garam masala and some spring onions. Mix and mash it all together. Now either take a tortilla wrap or your regular chapati, just a bit bigger in size. On the first quarter add chipotle sauce and cabbage. On the second one add the mashed potatoes. Then add tomato slices and chopped onions. Lastly, spread the green coriander chutney. Fold it up, take one step, take another step, and lastly fold and it is ready. Moving to the second one, add mayonnaise and cabbage. Now the tip is to put the heaviest filling in the center and spread on the outermost part. Now I have mushrooms which are tossed in butter and with spring garlic. Then add onions along with cheese. I am shaving the cheese, which is such an easier option than grating it. And finally add peri peri sauce for the tangy and spicy kick. Wrap it up again. Now toast it in butter on both the sides till you get this crispiness. If it is thick, then you can toast it on the sides as well. And it is ready. Thank you.